Why are you staring at me like that, Ratul? I have requested Mithai to call up Nipa and ask her to come here.
Just a minute, Shri. You are not bothered about what everyone is thinking about me right now, right? You had only asked me to keep the equation between us a secret and make everything look happy good, or else everyone will feel bad. You said that, right? Why are you telling me to bring Nipa over here? What I want is not important, right? Now why are you sending me to Nipa? Why? Tell me. You aren't concerned that a wrong idea will be formed about me. You won't be concerned about that. Everybody will ultimately blame me. Brother and Nanda will think I'm guilty. That's what happened on that day. The way everyone was staring at us made me feel so guilty that I cannot explain it.
Ratul, please talk softly. Rajiv and Nanda are at home.
You should also remember that brother Rajiv and Nanda are also at home. I am becoming a villain in everyone's eyes. When Sid was telling you in the morning not to stay in this house, making compromise, you didn't say anything, you didn't even protest once. What does that mean? It's proved now in front of Sid that you are not at all happy in this house.
Ratul, why are you bringing up Sid in this conversation? And besides, Sid said whatever he felt, but I don't understand why you are feeling guilty. I don't understand.
You would understand if you were in my shoes. The way Sid spoke, it felt like I was disrespecting you by bringing you to this house as he does to Mithai. The way he treats Mithai.
Ratul, please. We won't discuss Sid and Mithai's relationship over here. And moreover, nowadays Sid doesn't disrespect Mithai anymore. In fact, he's concerned about where Mithai will stay after the divorce and what she will do. Yeah, it's true that he doesn't believe in the concept of marriage and hence he cannot accept this marriage.
Oh. Now you seem to like your brother's idea, right? These days you're supporting your brother a lot. Strange.
I am surprised. A person is trying to change himself. Shouldn't I support him? Ratul, will you please tell me what your problem is? Look, I think that you are not able to understand your feelings clearly, and that's why you're getting so angry with me, and that too without any reason, I must say.
Brother Rajiv, I think both of them are getting angry now. Why don't you go once? I have been asking him for so long. Please go and check once. They are a newly married couple, that too under a strange circumstance. All of us must remember that, right? Please go.
Okay, I'm going. Oh, why does Rajiv always have to make everything right? Nonsense.
Oh my, Sister Nanda. Isn't Siddharth a strange person? He isn't present here, but still he is here. Over there, Sister Shri and Brother Ratul are fighting because of Mr. Bittergod. Over here, Brother Rajiv is saying nonsense like Siddharth. This is so strange. Lord knows what element Lord used while creating grandfather's grandson. God.
Mm, um, I just wanted to say that fights are good between lovebirds, but only at times, and that too within a limit. Sri, hand over the glass of water to Ratul. Ratul, drink some water, you'll feel better.
Sorry, Rajiv, I poured this water for myself. If someone feels thirsty, he can pour it for himself, right?
Oh no. Ratul, why are you getting agitated for no reason? I just don't understand why you are so angry with Siddharth all the time.
I'm not angry with Sid. You know, brother Rajiv, I just don't like his attitude. He said all nonsense to Shri. If mom gets to hear all this, she will think that I'm the one who is guilty. She will think it's all my fault. Till date, he had no concern regarding his sister. All of a sudden, he's become so concerned about his sister. And the sister has also started to understand her brother.
Ratul, be quiet. What are you talking about? Look, as an elder brother, Siddharth has every right to inquire about Sri's well being. Why don't you prove to him that you have made his sister happy? Then he'll come to you someday and thank you for that. He might also learn from you what it means to respect the bond of marriage.
Shri, what are you doing? Be careful. What if you fall down? This is why I don't like the concept of carrying the bride.
Siddharth? Did you also have so much concern for me? I never realized it earlier.
All the best, Ratul. I hope you. I hope you'll keep Shri happy. Rajiv, let me tell you something. Shri is an introvert. She hasn't asked for anything from anyone, and she won't ask anything from Ratul either. But you know what, Ratul? When Nipa went missing, I was the one who took Rudra's help and found Nipa. Mithai had given me a clue, right? But I went and rescued Nipa. And amidst all that, I had to comfort Nipa as well.
No one has ever spoken to me in such a harsh manner before. Why should I tolerate this behavior of Ratul? Sid didn't say anything wrong.
Sister Shri, tell me, what are you doing here alone? Actually, Brother Ratul wanted you to defend himself in front of Siddharth. Can't you understand that? It's so simple.
Why would someone want that all of a sudden, Mithai? Look, Siddharth. Siddharth is my sibling. The way he wants what's best for me, no one else would.
How can you say that, Sister Shri? Everything changes for a woman after getting married. Look, change is normal, isn't it? And Brother Ratul isn't like Mr. Bittergourd. Brother Ratul wants his wife to always support him.
My marriage can be a fake one, but your marriage isn't fake. So this change is normal, isn't it?
You are not bothered about what everyone is thinking about me right now. Right? You had only asked me to keep the equation between us a secret and make everything look happy good, or else everyone will feel bad. You said that, right? Why are you telling me to bring Nipa over here? What I want is not important, right? Now why are you sending me to Nipa? Why? Tell me. You aren't concerned that a wrong idea will be formed about me. You won't be concerned about that. Everybody will ultimately blame me. Brother and Nanda will think I'm guilty.
Sister Shritama, what are you thinking now? I have to ask Nipa to come over here. Is that what you want? No attention. Mithai is always here to help. Anyway, I am supposed to call up home and ask if Siddharth has seen a doctor or not. Hold on.
Tell me, Mithai, has anything happened? Brother Sid has come back home. But you know what, Mithai? The doctor has asked Brother Sid to be in isolation till his blood report arrives.
What? What are you saying, Nipa? Did the fever relapse?
No, I don't think so. But you know what, Mithai? Brother Sid seemed a bit disturbed. I mean, Brother Sid seemed different. Do you know what I feel? I think something must have happened to Torsha.
Sister Torsa? What has happened to her?
Mithai? What happened? What is Nipa saying? Tell her for what you've called her up.
Mithai, is Shri over there? Please reason with her, Mithai, on my behalf. Look, I can't go to meet Shri today. Everybody in this house has forbidden me. And besides, no one will allow me to go with Ratul. Everything has become different now. Please explain this to her. Okay, listen, I have to disconnect now, okay? And if I come to know anything about Torsha, I will call you up and inform you. Okay? Bye.
What happened, Mithai? What did Nipa say? Tell me.
What?
Is Siddharth alright? What did she say about coming here?
Yes, Siddharth is all right. The doctor has asked him that unless he gets blood test reports, he has to be in isolation until he gets his report. This arrangement will make him very happy though, because he loves to be in isolation always. Let's go downstairs. Listen, today Sister Nanda is going to make biryani. Let's go and help her. Let's go.
Mithai? Nipa said that she wouldn't come here, didn't she? Actually, she isn't able to accept this marriage yet, you know.
Sister Shri, please don't feel bad. Give the whole situation some time. Look, everyone will take a little time to understand the relationship between you and Brother Ratul. Grandfather, grandmother, Aunt Opa, they all know under what circumstances you got married. And they have also seen the condition of Brother Ratul, haven't they? Drop this topic now, Sister Shri. Please come with me downstairs. Let's all make biryani together. Let's go. Let's have fun together. Let's cook together and have a lot of fun. We will have a fill of picnic. Let's go, Sister Shri. Come along, please.
Yes, Brother Rajiv, tell me.
Sandy, do you want to drop by? Because Nanda is making biryani for lunch. The whole house is filled with its aroma.
No, brother Rajiv. I have the news that from tomorrow onwards there will be no restriction in terms of venturing out of the house. I mean, a lot of rules will have to be followed. I'll be able to come to know about this.
What? What are you saying? Is everything going to be closed once again? Lockdown?
No, not a complete lockdown, but there will be a lot of restrictions. We have a lot of pressure on us. I am yet to write a scene. I don't think I can come down to eat biryani.
Sandy, I'm really getting worried. If there will be restrictions on venturing out of the house from tomorrow, then I have to stock up on essentials today itself. Mithai is also staying back at our place. I must drop her to the Manohara house after lunch. Okay, so I'll disconnect now. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Nanda, Sandy just informed me over the phone that from tomorrow there will be restrictions on everyone venturing out. Why don't you make a list of all the essentials that we require from the market? And Mithai, be ready after lunch. I'll drop you to the Manohara house today. Is that clear?
Who's it?
It's me, Mithai. I have brought you food.
Mithai. Weren't you at Rajiv's place? Did Rajiv drop you home?
No one needs to drop Mithai home. Mithai knows all the roads of this city, yes. While I used to sell sweets, I have roamed these streets and roads so many times. I just wanted to know, are you okay now, Siddharth?
I was okay all this while. But now I have a headache.
What? What are you saying? What a disaster. Do you have a fever too? I should rather call grandfather. I'll ask grandfather to call the doctor. Let me call grandfather. Grandfather! Grandfather! Please come here once. Grandfather, listen, I think your grandson has a fever again. He has a headache. Do something. I think you should call up the doctor. No, there is nothing to worry about. Just ask the doctor to prescribe some bitter medicines that will cure your grandson.
Mithai! Mithai, just stop it. Stop it, okay? You don't need to say anything to Grandpa, I'm fine. Mithai, what are you doing? Are you teasing me?
And why did grandfather's grandson lied about headache? Tell me.
Didn't you understand why I said that? If I didn't say that, you will stand here and talk more. Anyway, since you have brought the food, you keep it here and go. I have work to do.
Is that so? So prove it right now who spoke more. Is it Siddharth or is it Mithai? Prove it right now. Who spoke more all this while? You have to prove who spoke more. It will be proved that Siddharth spoke the most. Anyway, Mithai won't argue anymore now. I'm keeping the food over here. Someone must finish the food. And yes, one more thing. Did the blood report arrive, Siddharth?
No, it hasn't. I'll get it tomorrow. You keep the food here and go, please.
Okay, fine, I'm going. Can I ask you something? If you don't mind. Is Sister Torsa alright? Actually, Nipa mentioned that something might have happened to Sister Torsa.
I can see that no information can remain suppressed in this house. I asked you to go from here, right? Can't you hear me? Look, this unnecessary curiosity, unwanted inquisitiveness. I don't need all this.
Such an insult! Why does Mr. Bittergourd always insult me? me. Lord, Mita isn't able to tolerate this, you know. No one used to scold me like this ever before. Since the time I met grandfather's grandson, I've been getting scolded every moment. Mita isn't going to tolerate this nonsense. Mark my words, Lord. The food that has been taken inside should also be eaten, okay? One has to eat properly.
Just keep quiet, Mithai. I know very well what I'm supposed to do. Don't act precautious.
Oof. Oh Lord. Didn't anyone make Siddharth taste honey when he was born? He's so bitter inside out.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll be able to join the online classes from tomorrow onwards. Actually, right now, I don't have the texts with me. My books are still in the Manohara house. I couldn't bring them yet. After I bring the books, I mean, I'm at my in-laws' place, sir. My wedding happened all of a sudden. I couldn't inform anyone. He has joined a lectureship in a college. Yes, sir. Computer science. Yes, yes. Now he will complete his PhD. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So, I will join the classes from tomorrow. Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye, sir.
I guess you were talking to the professor at your college. You won't be able to join the classes tomorrow, Shri.
Why?
Brother Rajiv has has organized a virtual get-together for the whole family. You must know that I can't do without my computer. So all of us will join through phones and our laptops. And everyone has to perform something.